It's BMW time here at European Motors, and today we have a 2022 BMW X5. This car is still under factory warranty through April of 2026 or until 50,000 miles. Full factory warranty through BMW. This is the XDRIVE40i. XDRIVE is the all-wheel drive. 40i is the incredibly reliable inline six that they put in so many of these BMWs. This gorgeous white exterior with black interior. See, we have the upgraded seats down here in really good shape. Big panoramic roof. We'll get more into the options here in a bit. This has a really nice set of Bridgestone tires. Because of the snow, it's kind of hard to tell, but ton of tread left on those. Definitely not original. Front end on this is really clean. I see we have the front facing camera there for the 360 view. I love the new kind of U's and the LED headlights and running lights that they're putting on these newer BMWs. They just have a really cool look to them. Matching Bridgestones on all four corners. Oh, and then, well, actually, we'll have to give you a sneak peek of the rear here in a second. I'll have to get it unlocked. Back seat looks just about brand new. See, they have their own climate control settings there. Sorry if it's getting a little bit dark here this afternoon. This is one feature that I wish more cars had. BMWs, the X5s, X3s don't get it. The X5s have a tailgate feature, which just makes loading stuff really easy. You don't have to try to lift it up over a big bumper, worry about scratching your paint. And then the other nice thing is when you open it, if you have groceries that are rolling around back here, when you open this hatch, they're not going to roll out the back because you still have this partition to keep them in for you. This is a really nice feature that, honestly, I wish more SUVs had. BMW does a really nice job with it. Driver side, sight down the side. Looks really nice as well, just like the passenger. What you would expect out of a 2022 factory warranty. It's a little chilly today. Let's hop in and take it for a spin. We'll get buckled up here. Push button start, of course. Until the warning lights come on and then they clear as they should. And this has 44,984 miles, but in reverse. Really nice backup camera and 360 camera. And I see there, it actually has the automatic parking sense setting as well. So this will actually park itself if you want it to. So we have heated seats, heated steering wheel in this one, nice on a day like today. And then cool thing about the heated seats is it actually has heated armrests as well. So the front door and the center console are actually heated as well with the heated seats. Just a nice feature. BMW does a really nice job with these. I might be biased. I've had a couple BMWs and I still have one. I really like them, but for good reason. They drive really nice. Of course, this is going to have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I see we have blind spot monitoring, all the new safety features. If you haven't seen our video before, videos before. We spin them around the block. We'll get it up to highway speeds for you, show you it does everything it should, nothing it shouldn't. Let's see what the sound system sounds like. We have no media. Let's get to... Nice sound system. You're 65, 70 miles an hour. It's down the road straight and true, even on this windy day today. Get on the brakes for the turn here. Everything it should, nothing it shouldn't. Give us a call. Really nice factory warranty 2022 BMW X5 all-wheel drive. Got someone calling on it already. Give us a call, 319-393-8496. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states, so if you're not in the Cedar Rapids, eastern Iowa area, give us a call. We can give you more details about that. My name is Tommy. Kyle's in the passenger seat here. 319-393-8496, 2022 BMW X5. Give us a call.